This is a follow-on from the video on the drone regulations that did rave on a bit too much. I didn't get to put the footage on of the first drone test, but as you'll see, it's very smooth. Picture quality is fantastic, even on default settings with the camera. So when I get some more experience, I can do some more exciting movements, maybe fly around the mountains and things, and it should be really fantastic. Anyway, have a look, see what you think. I've always wanted to know if there's anything interesting over these trees. In 1953, you didn't need a drone to look at the view. Interestingly, something is being filmed here. It's an early drone test. And that's me running around on the ground. Good cars, those Vanguards. Anyway, goodbye. See you next time.